Right, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to add new content in terms of RSS and how to translate it to make it unique and basically start posting them to your Blogger blog. Now this is a pretty straightforward process, but it might appear complicated in one or two steps, so just pay close attention. You'll find it a breeze after that. Okay, so the first thing you would do is find the RSS URL, right? Now in this case, since I already have a prior URL that I found, I'm just gonna basically go and check the feed details so that I get an idea and so I can copy it. So I'll copy that. Okay, let's add a new feed right now. Okay, so you would just right click the Trainer blog and say add content and click on RSS feed URL. It opens up the RSS feed URL. Let's paste that again and put a name for it. Okay, so let's put a name. I'll put, for translation, since I made it, I want to make it translated. Translation. Okay, now feed extraction, everything is the same. Add to blog, the same thing. Now pay close attention here. Okay, click on more settings here. You see that more settings? It's going to take you to the other screen, which is a post extraction screen. Now this is where the translation occurs. Basically, what is the value of translation? Basically, the way we do the software works is that it translates your content. Let's just say it's in English. It translates it to English, another language, say German, and then back again to English. Due to the process of translation, it becomes unique, the content. And because we allow multiple layers of translations, it creates unique content that you can easily start posting into your Blogger blogs. Okay, so let's do that right now. I'll put English and I'll translate it to Finnish and I'll translate it back to English again. Okay, or you could alternatively translate to some other language, but let's do that for now. And auto generate tags, which is basically going to generate keywords for us automatically for search engine optimization purposes. And since we want one-click SEO capability, where all our blogs are automatically SEO optimized, just leave it as is. And advanced settings, you don't have to do much because that's only if you really want to have full control over some of the content that you're posting. But with the updates we have done to the software, you don't have to really do much to the editing in this section. Okay, so just click finish and boom, it shows up here under translation. So right click and click update feed now and it'll show you something. You see that in the bottom it says translating, help me end my calorie obsession without gaining weight, and so on. It's already translating the content and updating it here. So what happens after this? Basically what's going to happen is it's going to automatically translate it, make the content unique, and post it to your Blogger blog. It's beautiful, right? So that's the way it works in terms of translation and posting to blogs. And let's just say you want to go a step further. Let's just say you want to basically translate and on top of that have an option of editing the translation, because sometimes what happens is you may not have a 100% accurate translation in terms of creating unique content. One or two words might not appear proper, right? Especially when you're trying to create unique content, one or two words might be out of place in terms of grammar, right? Then if you want to fix it, let's say it's sad that the fat and overfed animals, more and more users are making more headlines. You can say sad that the fat and overfed animals are more and more and users are making headlines, right? Let's just say you edit something like that. You can definitely do that with the what you see is what you get editor that you have here. So it's 100% customizable. Let's just say you want to add an extra picture here. You can definitely do that. In the next video I'll show you some of these features, like adding your own picture, your YouTube videos, and so on. But this is just to show you what you can edit while you also translate it. So you have 100% control, and if there is a small typo here and there or a grammatical error, you can definitely fix it within a couple of seconds and not have to worry about it again. Okay, so in the next video I'll show you some other really cool features and how all of it comes together. Okay, so see you in the next video.